All right, I got a new lighter, a new Zippo lighter yesterday. Let's take a quick look at it. And just as a reminder, the Cubs just hit 30 games, winning 30 games this season so far. That is the best in either league. Probably won't last long, but they're on top now. And this Zippo came in the normal Zippo black box. However, it does have a official Major League hologram on the front with a serial number. And of course, it is the Chicago Cubs, the new one. And this box is semi-collectible. It does have the Major League symbol up there, so that'll go in a special place. But here is the new Zippo. It's on a street chrome finish. This thing was made in, looks like L of 15, which is December of last year. So it's a fairly new one. Got a good sound. Lights up nice. That is a new Cubs Zippo. Let's do a drop test. From about 18 inches. Still fires up nice. Okay, let's do a drop test with it lit and open from about 18 inches. Okay, that went out because I have the overhead fan on. Try it one more time. Successful! With a Cubs lighter open and lit from 18 inches. So this goes into my Cubs Zippo collection. I'm already full right up there. Those are the only 4 other Cubs Zippo lighters I have. And I'm just going to put that in front for now. There you go, Cubs. They definitely deserve some Cubs bell. Knuckle bump.